common gate. Any single point. What is the comparison of common source, common drain, common gate? So just only single statement.
Common source provide inverting amplification
Okay.
and high input impedance
Okay.
and low output impedance, but the common gate is provide low input impedance 1 upon gm, and it amplifies non-inverting, and output impedance is also is low. But for common drain, the input impedance is very high,
Okay.
and output impedance is very low 1 upon gm, and it not providing any gain. It is for using only on impedance matching purpose as a buffer.
Okay. So buffer, common gate or common drain? Which one
Common
act as
drain, sir.
buffer? Common?
Common drain.
Ah, yeah, yeah, good. So anyone? Sifari Devagar Yogesh, what is the comparison of common drain, common source, common gate?
No, sir. I have heard by Ashish immediately.
Okay, Yogesh?
So okay. So common drain is like a voltage gain will be like current. It will have a high current gain, whereas voltage gain will be like same.
Okay,
But and input output phase will be like zero. So yeah, and the application it is used for buffer circuits. Whereas for common gate, it has a high voltage gain and low current gain, and it
okay,
has again a zero phase. Input output phase is zero,
okay,
and but the power gain is low for this one. And yeah, and it common gate is used for basically for higher frequency circuits, and common source and the voltage gain is low and current gain will be high, but overall the power gain is medium, and it has a 180-degree inverted output, like the phase is 180-degree
yeah,
inverted.
yeah. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So current mirror. So what is the current mirror? Why use current mirror? Anyone? Why use a current mirror? What is the purpose of current mirror?
So current mirror are those circuits which replicates the uh, current value of current from the source. And because for suppose if we are providing 1 volt 1 volt supply power supply to the whole circuit, and like there are many circuits which needs 1 volt supply, and so we cannot give different sources, so therefore we use current mirror to provide the supply to the uh, different circuits.
Okay. So current mirror means so diode is connected to so gate to source. Gate to source means PMOS or gate to sorry yes, gate to source is PMOS. Gate to drain means NMOS, right? Diode. Anyone?
So please repeat, sir. Please repeat, sir.
Okay. So diode means source to drain is connected to NMOS diode. Gate to drain NMOS diode. Gate to source PMOS diode.
So gate to drain is for PMOS, and gate to source, uh, so gate to drain is for both, sir.
Um,
In PMOS and MOS also.
no, okay, okay. NMOS gate to drain is connected, shorted means NMOS diode. So gate to source is shorted. So PMOS
Yes.
diode. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, okay, sir.
okay. So NMOS diode is connected to so one of the another NMOS transistor is connected to gate terminal. So this is current mirror or not? So NMOS diode is connected to another NMOS gate terminal connected. This is current mirror. Is right?
So normally, current mirror is connected like we have a PMOS diode.
PMOS diode.
PMOS diode is connected to the other circuits, like then we can have a like current mirror circuit.
Okay, PMOS or NMOS both are used. I
So for
understand.
current mirror, you're asking.
Yeah, current mirror. Current mirror, NMOS or PMOS. Either, either PMOS or NMOS diodes used. Okay, okay. Are you using laptop or mobile? Yogesh,
Some mobile, sir.
mobile. Okay. Anyone using laptop?
No, sir.
Okay. Oh, wait. All of guys visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is NMOS. So NMOS gate terminal is connected to drain terminal. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So is connected to another NMOS gate terminal. So this is current mirror. All of agree?
So which one is drain? Which one is source?
So this is source. This is drain. This is correct
Yes,
or
sir.
what?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is NMOS current mirror.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So current mirror is connected to differential. You know differential, all of you? So
Yes,
differential
sir.
amplifier.
Yes, sir. I know.
Okay. So differential amplifier, what type of device is used? So PMOS or NMOS?
So differential amplifier like we use normally NMOS, and but PMOS can be used, but it can act as a load.
Okay. 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 So next question. What are the characteristics of operation amplifier? What are the characteristics of operation amplifier? Anyone try to this answer? Operation amplifier actually basic device. Operation amplifier.
So, sir, its input impedance is very high. So we will tell about ideal, or sir, it will be like practical purpose.
Ideal. Tell me ideal.
Ideal is for input impedance is infinite,
Okay.
output impedance is zero.
Okay.
Yeah, open loop gain should be infinite,
Okay.
and slew rate is infinite.
Okay.
Common mode ejection ratio is also infinite, sir.
So what is bandwidth?
Uh,
What is the speed in operation amplifier? Ideal stage.
Ideal bandwidth should be infinite, sir.
Okay.
infinite.
Any other one?
Actually, operation amplifier functionality like this, it will amplify the a difference between the two terminals, and it will not consider the common mode voltage. So
Okay.
that is why CMRR is infinite.
Okay. So what is power supply rejection ratio? PSRR. Slew rate.
Uh,
Slew rate
Offset
should be
volt
infinite, sir.
Slew rate is also
slew
infinite.
rate
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Power supply rejection ratio.
0. I think actually it is the offset voltage divided by input voltage.
Yeah.
So offset should be 0
Okay.
because offset is nothing but a error.
Okay. So what is offset voltage?
Actually, we never want offset in our circuit. Actually, operation amplifier always amplify the difference between the two terminals and reject the common mode voltage.
Yeah.
So the V1, ideally V1 is equal to V2. It happens, but because of the some noise, some voltage difference create between them. So error come into the system. These error is called the offset voltage.
Okay. Good. Okay. Next question. So what is difference between buffer operation amplifier? What is difference? Both are buffer and operation amplifier. Both are same or any other difference?
So we use op-amp as a buffer,
Okay.
as a voltage follower.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, we use amplifier as a buffer when gain of the operation amplifier is 1, I think.
Okay. So gain is always one in buffer. So what is
Yes, sir.
difference buffer and operation amplifier? Why?
Operate
Yeah. Tell me.
in a buffer, output voltage should equal to the input voltage, but in amplifier amplifies the input voltage, not exactly the input voltage.
Okay. Okay. Good. So Prashad, any answer? Difference between buffer and operation amplifier.
Yes, sir. So in buffer, like the gain will be one. So like whatever input we are giving, so same output will get. But same and but in op-amp, so it will of course it will amplify that gain will be infinite.
Okay.
So yeah, it will whatever input will give, so you'll get infinite output.
Okay. Good. Okay. So what is difference between the NMOS diode and PMOS diode? What is difference between NMOS diode and PMOS diode? Anyone try to answer? Actually, this is a basic question. Difference between NMOS diode and PMOS diode.
Normally, the PMOS diode is it will be like connected towards the source end, whereas it will and NMOS diode will be connected to the sink end.
Okay. So anyone? So what is difference between PMOS and NMOS diode? Difference between PMOS diode and NMOS diode. Anyone try to answer? What is difference between NMOS diode and PMOS diode? Okay. Okay. So next question. What is the difference between differential mode and common mode?
In a differential
No,
mode,
Yeah.
inverting terminal voltage will not equal to the non-inverting terminal voltage, but in common mode, V1 should equal to V2.
Okay. Okay. Good. So Ashish, can you try to this answer?
Yes, sir.
Any try to this answer difference between differential input and common input. What is difference?
So when the uh, if we provide differential, if we provide different voltage, different terminal in differential amplifier, it is different in differential mode. If the signal is same in both the terminal, then it is in common mode.
Okay.
So it can be explained by with the help of differential amplifier example. Like in differential mode, like in differential amplifier, it has two inputs. So like one of the input will have the inverting input, and whereas in the common mode, like both inputs will be given in the both will be in the same phase.
Yeah, yeah.
So it can be like yes.
Okay. But current, what is current at differential and common? Current is same or different? In a differential amplifier, current is same or different in a differential input.
Sir, actually there is no current flow inside the amplifier. So current will be different.
What is value current?
Current is zero. Inside the amplifier, no current will flow. So current is zero.
Okay.
But in a common mode, in a common mode, V1 is equal to V2. So current will be same because both the terminal will be sorted. But in a differential mode, V1 is not equal to V2. So current will be different. But this current is come from the error. Actually, input resistance of amplifier is infinite. So there is ideally no current flow inside the operational amplifier.
Okay. Good. So Ashish, you try to this answer.
Sir, current should be the zero for both common mode and differential mode, because the input impedance is ideally infinite and our particle is very high. So the current input current is very negligible, or it will be zero, sir. So current will be zero.
Okay. You want try to this answer? Okay. So what is difference between coupling capacitors? Means DC coupled, AC coupled. What is difference? AC coupled, DC coupled capacitors? DC coupled or AC coupled? What is difference? So, okay, DC coupled means open circuit. AC coupled means short circuit. Understand? Hello.
Please repeat,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So can you
So you
please
are
repeat, sir?
asking about AC coupling or DC coupling capacitors.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, I can do answer of this question.
Okay, okay. So any other difference?
Actually, actually Xc is equal to 1 upon omega c. So when a frequency is 0,
Okay,
Xc is infinite. So
okay,
in DC frequency is 0. So
okay,
capacitance will be short circuit. Xc goes to infinite. And when we talking about AC, so AC having some frequency, that is why 1 upon omega c. So Xc is very low, so capacitance will be short. Impedance will be short.
okay, good. So what is difference between low impedance path and the high impedance path? Anyone? Difference between
Uh,
low impedance?
low impedance path mean short circuit. High impedance path means open circuit, high voltage.
Okay, okay. So how many types of noise?
How many types of
Noise. You know noise?
noise? Yes, sir.
Yeah. How many types? Why are you using noise?
Mainly there's a two types of flicker and thermal noise,
Flicker
and also there's a short thermal noise, sir.
okay.
Thermal noise is also called a white noise inside the circuit.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh, in a high frequency, thermal noise or white noise is dominant. In a low frequency, I think flicker noise is more dominant.
Okay. So what is difference
Actually,
between flicker and thermal noise? What is the major defect? What type of noise main defect?
uh,
Thermal noise is more dominant, sir.
Okay. Why?
Sir, because the thermal noise due to the temperature of around the sir device. If device when the device is operating, the temperature is increase of the device. So noise will also the increase because thermal noise is directly proportional to temperature.
Okay.
But flicker noise depend upon the frequency. At high frequency, it will less dominant
Okay.
as compared to thermal noise.
Okay. Okay. Next, which components form a Darlington pair? No, Darlington pair. Darlington.
Yes,
a
sir.
dark
Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Ashish, tell me. Ashish.
So Darlington pair, it is between the oxide and the gate formed due to the some impurities.
Okay. Which components?
Which come in the transistor, sir. It is between the gate and oxide layer.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyone? Yogesh, Prashad. Anyone?
sir, I
I'm
think
not sure
that
for this.
darling.
Yeah. Continue, Yogesh, Prashad. Please continue.
Actually, I'm not sure for this one.
What, Yogesh?
Sir,
Actually, for Darlington amplifier, I'm not sure for this answer actually.
Okay. Okay. So, Sefali?
sir, actually, I think Darlington pair used in current mirror when a PMOS and NMOS combination are connected in cascode
Uh,
structure.
yeah. Yeah. Okay.
That combination is called a Darlington, if I'm not wrong.
Okay. Okay. So what type projects done? LDO done? LDO BZR, you know? LDO BZR
Yes, sir.
and constant
No, sir.
We
GM circuit. You
No,
know LDO project, load dropout, BZR, constant
no,
GM
sir.
circuit, and DAC or ADC, data converters.
So actually, I worked in LNA, sir, in my MTech. I'm not working in ADC or LDU, sir.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, Ashish, what are the what are the follows? What are the follows? LNA. Ashish, hello.
Please repeat.
Okay.
Please repeat the question.
Okay. What type of precautions followed for LNA circuit design? Means low noise amplifier.
So for the precaution we should design amplifier such that if the signal to noise ratio of that amplifier is not increased, so the noise figure of
Okay.
that LNA should be low as possible as. And the second is the linearity. We should make a LNA such that its linearity is high. So due to this, the adjacent two signals are coming so that the adjacent signal not affect the our main signal. For
Okay.
that one, linearity should be of a LNA is high, and there is a different uh, ultra wideband. If we design ultra wideband LNA, the gain of the ultra wide LNA should be maintained continuously. It will be not fluctuate. So these are the main things for LNA, sir.
Okay. So Devagar, what type of projects done in MTech level or internship level?
Sir,
Sir,
Yeah, continue, Ashish.
uh,
I have done my in MTech about LNA designing. I have designed one uh, gain switch LNA, sir, because dual band LNA, where by the using switch I will shift the frequency of desired frequency. Like if we want both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in same using same LNA, we can shift the frequency of by using the switches using the same LNA. We can obtain both the property of due to this the area and power consumption by consumed by the LNA will reduce.
Okay. So
uh,
continue.
I'm hello. Yes, sir. Sir, from last 1 year, I done my project from ST Microelectronics. So I worked in memory. So in memory, I worked in two projects. One is memory characterization. In memory characterization, I worked in different memory compilers and work in different simulators, XA, Aldo, and do the benchmarking of different compilers like dual port high density, single port high density. And second project I was work, it was on bit cell leakage. I try to reduce the leakage of the 60 SRAM cell by using the different source wising scheme.
Okay.
That was my work.
Okay. You know Cerdes project,
No sir, no sir,
data converters, PLL. You don't know?
no sir.
Okay. So Prasad, what done projects?
So in MTech, I designed a constant bandwidth variable gain amplifier for 5G receivers.
Okay.
So basically, like variable gain amplifier, it's like in 45 nanometer technology, sir. So it's like a differential amplifier. Plus, I have also designed a gain boosting gain booster, so that after amplifying the input signal via differential amplifier, so I'll be boosting up the voltage signal
Okay.
by using gain booster. So gain booster, it's basically a common gate circuit I have used. So because in 5G spectrum, so I have considered that mid band, that is 1 gigahertz to 6 gigahertz spectrum. So for gain common gate configuration, I have used as a gain booster. So
Okay.
actually, currently, like I have published a paper for this one, so it's in review state actually.
Okay. So you know constant GM circuit?
Sir, not exactly, sir, actually.
Okay. So PLL, ADC data.
PLL, yes, a phase lock loops. Yeah, actually, I have idea about this. So yeah, actually.
Okay. Okay. Next. So next three questions is simply based on filters. Okay.
Sorry, sir, I
Okay,
didn't
sir.
get you exactly.
Okay. So last three questions are questions on based on filters.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. So low pass filter consisting of a resistor and a capacitor. So how will the cutoff frequency change if the capacitance is increased? I repeat, a low pass filter consisting of a resistor and a capacitor. How will the cutoff frequency change if the capacitance is increased or decreased?
So by decreasing the capacitance value, we can increase the cutoff frequency.
Why? So cutoff frequency, what will X? How will X? Cutoff frequency.
The cutoff frequency is 1 upon RC for low pass filter of RC circuit. Omega naught is cutoff frequency 1 upon RC. By decreasing the value of capacitance, we can increase the cutoff frequency omega naught, sir.
Okay, I will repeat question.
So actually, it's a so
Okay,
it's a
I
inversely
will repeat question.
proportional. So
Shall I repeat question? Shall I repeat question?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Please. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. A low pass filter consisting of a resistor and a capacitor. So how will the cutoff frequency change if the capacitance is increased?
If the capacitance is increased, the cutoff frequency will reduce, sir.
So capacitors, yes, capacitor is increased. What is the value of cutoff frequency? Higher or lower?
Sir,
So
sir,
It will be
lower, sir.
lower,
sir,
sir.
cutoff frequency is inversely proportional to capacitor. So when we
Yeah.
increase the capacitor, cutoff frequency will reduce. The expression I got after solving this question, Fc is equal to 1 upon 2 pi RC.
Yeah, yeah. So finally the cutoff frequency is lower for larger
Yes,
capacitance.
yeah,
Yes,
when
sir.
we, yeah, larger capacitance, Fc will lowest.
Yeah, yeah. So next same question. A high pass filter consisting of a resistor and a capacitor. How will the cutoff frequency change if the capacitance is increased?
Sir, in high pass filter.
Yeah, yeah. High pass filter. So I will repeat question. A high pass filter consisting of a resistor and a capacitor. So how will the cutoff frequency change if the capacitance is increased?
So it will be like same as below, like previous one, low pass filter. Like if you increase the value of capacitance, then the cutoff frequency. Sorry, if you reduce the value of capacitance, the cutoff will be increased. And so, like in case of high pass filter, so it's like it should be minimum value.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Same answer. So the cutoff frequency is lower for larger capacitance. In case decrease, the
Yeah,
cutoff frequency is higher.